channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Alexandra. Nice to meet you. So as you see by the title of this video, I am doing a wig review. As you can tell, the hair is giving, okay? It is definitely giving. So I want to thank this Amazon company called NICY Hair that provided this wig for me to do a review for you guys. Because you know I'm only going to bring the best. I'm only going to bring the best. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, I'm sorry. Because I'm really feeling myself in this wig. I'm really, really feeling myself. And for the amount that this wig cost, you're getting a steal. Okay, you are definitely getting a steal. So in this video, from start to finish, I am going to show you the process that I did to get her looking like this. Okay, so if you want your wig that you purchased from NICY Wig, definitely follow the steps that I do in this video, because baby, can't nobody tell me nothing. I know you see it. Okay, so let's go right ahead and get into this video because we got places to go. So this is a collaboration with NICY Hair. I had an option of which wig I wanted to pick. So I chose to go with a 360 lace wig unit. I ended up going with this color. I went in color. The texture of this hair is not kinky straight, but is yaki straight. It's a little bit more softer than kinky texture, if you were wondering. So like all my wigs, I like to bleach the knots. For me, that's the first step. If I am struggling to bleach knots, I'm already downgrading the wig. But with this particular wig, no issues, no problems. It only took 10 minutes to get to my preferred lightness of the knots. Like it really only took 10 minutes and I was pleasantly surprised. So after bleaching the knots, of course you want to wash it. You also want to use a neutralizing shampoo. So because I noticed that of course the hair was bleached by the company, I needed to use a neutralizing shampoo just so that I don't break out because I have sensitive skin. In my opinion, it was a little brassy. It was a little brassy. So I decided to use purple shampoo to help remove as much of the brassiness as I could. Honestly, guys, I let that sit in the water for like an hour. It sat in the water for an hour. So as soon as I was done, I decided, you know what? I like the hairline, but I think the hairline could be just a little bit more better. So I decided to pluck it. I plucked the hairline. I would suggest you do the same. If you wanted to look a certain way, pluck that hairline to your preferred, look, of course. So as you can see, I didn't tint the lace, but I did end up putting my makeup on the lace. You can use lace tint. You can use whatever you want to use. I ended up using my makeup to tint my lace. And as you can see, the blonde in the hair is doing what it needs to do. Letting it sit in the purple shampoo really helped with the brassiness of the blonde, in my opinion. Another thing I would like to say is that I love how the wig turned out. The wig, if you wanted to, you can wear it without gluing it down, gelling it down, whatever method you like to use. You can really do that because it looks amazing. Look at how that looks. It looks so natural. It looked like it's coming out of my scalp. So I ended up using my favorite adhesive method, which is not adhesive, it's just gel, but let's just call it that. So this method, I love me some Bold Hold. I love me some Bold Hold. I hope they see this video. I love your products. I do. I really, really do. But anyway, what I wanted to say, one thing I would change about this wig would be how much blonde is in this wig. If it was less blonde and more brown, I would have loved it that much more. It was just a little bit too much blonde for me, but that's just my preference. Everyone's preference is different. You know, what you like is what you like. What I like is what I like. If it was a little bit less blonde, I think I would have liked it a whole lot more. Right now, I'm just showing you how I am, putting it down, making it look as natural as possible. And I did not have any issues with this lace. Although this lace is transparent and I wish it was HD, I'm not even mad at it because it did not fight me at all. And I've had lace that fought me tooth and nail to the point where I just didn't even wear the wig because I'm not gonna fight with you. It's either you gonna stay down or you're not. So this lace, like I said, although it's transparent, didn't have any issues. It stayed down when it needed to stay down. It did what it needed to do. I think that the hairline turned out perfectly. I did not overpluck this wig. If you don't know, by bleaching the knots, the hair would not last as long. If anybody tell you something different otherwise, they're lying. So by over plucking it, you're just making it much worse. So over time, the front of the hair from, gluing it down or gelling it down or whatever the case may be will begin to thin. So that's why I did not over pluck it. But it turned out perfect. It looks so natural. Like, look at it. You tell me. You tell me if I'm wrong. Anyway, so at this point, I made sure that I completely dried my hairline before I put the elastic band. The only reason I like to do that is because I don't like when I start to take off my elastic band, it sticks to my hairline. I don't like that. And then I have to go back and fix the imperfections. So by making sure that it is dry before I put on the elastic band helps with that problem and that issue. So while the elastic band is on, I left it on for about, I want to say 20 minutes. That's how long it took for me to curl the hair. But I would say leave it on for at least 10 minutes, especially if you're in a rush. Leave it on for at least 10 minutes. I enjoyed curling this wig. Once again, no issues, no problems. It took a curl so well. However, the curls do not last more than 24 hours. It might last longer if I put other products in the hair, like hairspray or whatever other products that you can possibly put into the hair to make it last longer. I did not. I just put a heat protectant, curled the hair, and called it a day. The curls did last me 24 hours. And I don't know what it is about kinky, yucky hair or natural looking hair. The curls don't last as long. I don't know why. That's just what it is. And if that's a problem for you, I don't know. But for me, it's not a problem. It did what it needed to do. And the curls turned out amazing. It turned out amazing. All I can say is at this point, you got to run to Amazon. Everything will be linked down below, but the link to this wig will be on my Amazon storefront. Don't skip it. Go get you one of these. Definitely get you one of these. Okay? Don't skip it. I forgot to mention in the beginning, because this is a 360 lace wig, this particular unit is not big head friendly. If your head is big, this is not for you. However, I think they have this wig also in a 13 by 4 construction, and that will probably fit someone who has a bigger head. But yeah, not big head friendly. If they do have this in a 13 by 4, I would definitely get that one instead, and that way it fits and you don't have any issues. Hey guys, if you managed to get this far into the video, everything that I have used in this video will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I would have to say that this wig is amazing. From start to finish, it did nothing but surprise me. If you are not rushing to Amazon to get this wig, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop what you're doing. Go to Amazon and purchase this wig. It is definitely affordable. It will not break the bank, and you are getting pretty good quality for the price that you are paying for. And I've paid a whole lot more and got a whole lot less. But I want to say definitely check this out. Check out Nicely Wigs. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, if you have anything that you would like to ask me, definitely comment everything down below. Rate how you think I did from start to finish. Also, let me know if you would honestly purchase this wig, because she's giving. She is giving. Okay? So let me turn around once more time so you can see. Is she not giving? Because she is. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. So until next time, besties, stay stylish, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.